right, guys, it's Fun Story Friday, and last week I told you guys about buying this boat. It was supposed to be $5,000. I got it for $1,500, and it was a hoot, right? We had so much fun on that thing. But so one day, my other buddy, he's got this fancy Donzi, right? And I got this, $1,500 speedboat, right? So he goes, we're at Hurricane Bay. He says, hey, do you want to race? And I go, yeah, I want to race, yeah. And now his boat's super fast, right? But it's heavier and bigger, and it took a while to get out of the hole, so they speak. And mine kind of stood up like this and then drops down and takes off, right? So my boat's super fast at first, and his boat would definitely win no matter what. So we take off, right? All our friends are on the beach watching us drag race our boats on just outside of the buoy line. I'm on the right, luckily, and he's on the left. Wait, no. Correction, I was on the left. Anyway, we take off, and my boat starts I was 3 buoys ahead of him. The buoys all have boats on in the middle of summer, right? Jamming along, and my steering breaks. Now, luckily, my boat was enough faster than his that when I hooked and I passed in front of him, he didn't hit me because I had no control, and I was probably doing about 50 miles an hour, and I went right between 2 buoys with boats on them and straight towards the beach, and I turned off the ignition. And at Hurricane Bay, you can actually nose your boat right up on the beach, pick up your buddies, right? So I do this, and I get out, I push it back out, and I paddle out with this paddle. And I was a raft guide, right? So I fire up the boat, put it in idle, and I put my foot on the outdrive, and I push on it to kind of straighten it out, and I sit in the back like a raft guide, and I steer it with this paddle, and I motor out, and I go to like yell to him like, hey man, I need you to tow me, my steering's broken. And he's like, yak yak yak, and he's dead in the water over here. And so finally I idle over to him. It takes forever, and I get there and I go, dude, my steering's broken, I need help. He goes, I'm out of gas. And so I wound up rescuing him and going back with a can of gas. It took the whole rest of the day, but still a great memory. It was a long time ago. And anyway, it's just Fun Story Friday. Hope you guys are having an awesome day.